What is cultural assimilation? Broadly construed, cultural assimilation refers to the process in which a minority group or culture assumes the behaviors, values, rituals, and beliefs of their host nation's majority group. It is important to note that the term cultural assimilation is often used to describe immigrants who have migrated to new locations. However, it is also used to discuss indigenous groups. It is also important to note that people are often encouraged or pressured to culturally assimilate, but these changes are often forced. Indigenous, immigrant, and ethnic minority groups often change or hide elements of their own culture, including their language, food, clothing, and spiritual practices, in order to adopt the values and social behaviors of the dominant culture. Those who advocate for cultural assimilation believe that it decreased conflict, contributes to a more cohesive national identity, and improves the social and economic opportunities for minority individuals. Not everyone agrees, however, and suggests that cultural assimilation contributes to the loss of culture and history, increased discrimination and violence, and damage to people's self-esteem and confidence. Hence, while cultural assimilation is often presented as an easy solution, it contributes to other problems and difficulties.